Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Green. In this first video, let's discuss about why we started this channel and what kind of content you can expect from us in future. Generally, many people are interested to invest or trade in stock markets, but the main problem is they don't know how to start, where to start, and what kind of books to read. Even we faced the similar issues in the early stage of our trading careers. So through this channel, we would like to share trading and stock market related concepts right from the basic to advanced concepts like what is trading psychology and the most important thing, how to protect your capital and manage your risk, how to take position sizing according to your capital, how to do fundamental and technical analysis, how to analyze and interpret the charts, how to create your own trade setups and how to backtest them. What are our personal trade setups? In addition to all this, we will share market updates with you all. And that is the main purpose of starting this channel. Now let's see few major misconceptions about the stock markets. The stock market is just like a casino. Making money in the stock markets is all about luck. You will lose all your money there. These are the most common things you will hear from your close ones like your family, your relatives, even from some friends when you say that you want to invest or make career in stock markets. Yes, what they say is really true and they are saying it as our well-wishers. If you invest or trade in stock markets without right knowledge and skill, you will definitely lose all your money. Even if you make few bucks in the initial stage of your trading career out of luck, eventually you will lose all of it for sure at some point of time. That's a fact. It's rightly said that people who enter into the stock markets with only money will gain only experience, but those who come with experience can make all the money. That's the personality of stock market, as mentioned by author Ashwani Gujral sir in his book. Let's see a small example for this. Assume that two traders entered into the stock market. One person came in with 1 crore capital and the other one with 10 lakh capital. The guy with 1 crore capital does not have any stock market skills, but the other one has the right skills and the knowledge. At the end of the story, the person with 10 lakh capital survives in the market because he had the right knowledge and skills and was not just dependent on his capital and luck, unlike the first guy with 10 crore. It's not just the capital that matters, right knowledge and skill is the most important thing to survive here. Remember this, professionals are always waiting there to kick you out of the market. So please don't start your trading without the right knowledge and skill set. Now let's talk about few professions. It will take 4 years for a person to become an engineer. At least 5 years of efforts are required to become a chartered accountant. A pilot can get his commercial pilot license only if he has an experience of 1500 flying hours. But this is not the case with stock markets. Just open an online Demat account as soon as the trading comes to your mind. Deposit all the money in the account and start buying and selling the stocks which are suggested by someone. Many people think that trading is just simply buying and selling. People who think like that will lose all their money. So it will definitely take some time and efforts to succeed in the stock markets. Don't just start trading if you want to succeed overnight. 95% of the traders lose all their money just because they wanted to become overnight millionaires. But who are pocketing this 95% traders lost money? It is the rest 5% traders. Now it's up to you to decide whether you want to be in that 95% category or the 5% category. The other major misconception is that only finance professionals can succeed in stock markets. That's not 100% correct. Though finance professionals have some edge, people from other fields like doctors, engineers, and even people without any higher educational qualifications have successful trading careers. There are many such success stories. So, the most important things which are essential to survive in the stock markets are knowledge, skill, and discipline. At least from now on, if we start devoting some time and effort on trading, we can succeed for sure. Even our channel is focused on providing such content in future. Let's end this video here. Upcoming videos on our channel are very important. Don't miss them. We are updating potential breakout stocks for learning purpose on TradeGreen Instagram and Telegram channels. If you don't want to miss them, click on the links given in the description below and follow us. Videos will be regularly updated in this channel at least twice a week, and we have decided to upload videos daily on market updates and intraday analysis with the progress of this channel in future. So don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Tap that bell icon for future notifications. This is CA Vijay from TradeGreen. We wish you all trade green in our next trading session. Thanks for watching.